Right, I've built a little bit of a speed regulator for the ASI pump. As you can see, well, it's now indicating just over 100 kilometers an hour, but I can now use this throttle to increase the engine power, and you can see that the speed slowly increases to, well, in this case about 400 kilometers an hour. So I can regulate the speed setting with the throttle. I can fly a bit faster or slower, as the case will be. So normally what the pilot would do to engage the autopilot, he would set the throttle for a certain speed, then he would adjust the set point for the autopilot on that speed, and then he would switch on the autopilot, and then the autopilot would keep the speed constant. Now, the speed is not only going to be dependent on the throttle setting, but also on the pitch of the aircraft. So if it pitches, in this case, up, you can see that the horizon shows the plane going up, and you can see the speed coming down. So now the aircraft is climbing, and consequently it's losing speed. So firstly, if I put it into a shallow dive, we can see the speed rise quite a bit. So only when we return the model to level flight, take a little bit, does it return to the original set point. So this speed is actually, the speed differential is actually used by the autopilot to regulate the pitch. So if I would engage the autopilot and I would then increase the power, obviously it doesn't want to increase the speed, so what it will do, it will start putting the aircraft in a climb. But that will only happen later, once I've finished the autopilot and it's in a full feedback mode. But for now it is nicely sensitive to both the throttle and the pitch of the aircraft.